Hey, it's me, Andy from potatoesandpearls.com, and this video has been sitting on my hard drive for a while now. Just personally about me, I started going back to school, so it's hard to do videos in school at the same time, but during the summer I am out, so I am trying to make sure I have everything in its place. In this video, we will be making wonton soup. I know it's like I'm putting this out during the summer, but I feel like this is the anytime soup. It's light, it's not like thick and creamy or anything like that. I think it's like a good soup, especially even if you get like a cold in the summer or whatever. So let's get into it right after this. On medium-high heat, we are going to start off with 32 ounces of low sodium chicken broth. You can use regular, but I just like to use low sodium because it helps me keep in control of the salt, so by the end it's not too salty. Then we're going to add in 1 tablespoon of soy sauce, and we're going to mix that together, and everything is still going to stay on medium-high heat. While the broth mixture is getting hot, we're going to go ahead and add in 12 ounces of mini wontons. I use the Trader Joe's brand. You can use whatever brand you want, or if you're feeling adventurous, you can make little mini wontons yourself. I just find this easier when trying to make the soup, and it works perfectly fine going in frozen. Then we're going to add in between 1.5 to 2 cups of kale, and you want your kale to be fresh. Don't use the can or the frozen, just because this is going to cook down in the soup, and the frozen in the can it's not going to give you the same flavor. I just went ahead and added in 1/2 cup of chopped white onions, and in between each ingredient I am stirring just to make sure everything gets mixed together. 1 tablespoon of chopped garlic. I didn't chop it myself. I got it out of the jar, but if you want to chop it yourself, it's perfectly all right. 3/4 cup of shredded carrots and 1 teaspoon of sesame oil. Once you get everything stirred together, you're going to let it cook on medium-low for 15 to 20 minutes, and you would leave the pot uncovered. Once those 20 minutes are up, I like to serve immediately. This does make about 4 servings of soup. You can keep this in your refrigerator for about a week, and it's a really great soup just for any time because the broth is light. It's not heavy on seasoning, it's not heavy on a bunch of ingredients, and those Trader Joe wontons are just perfect. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I know it was a quick one. I am going to be making some more very shortly. School and everything, it's just I haven't had a chance to make videos, but I am getting back in the swing. I will see you guys next time. Bye.
Just pulled up to the house, don't feel like getting out. I'ma just lay back and crack this window.